In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use voice mode in Grok 3 for hands-free interaction. Let's get you set up quickly and confidently. Start by opening Grok 3 in your web browser, or launching the Grok app on your device. Log into your account so you can access your chats and settings. A stable internet connection and the latest version of the app or site will make everything smoother, especially when working with audio. Once you're in, begin a new conversation. Click New Chat, or open the chat box where you usually type your requests. This puts you right in the space where voice mode will do its work. If you've already got a chat open, that's fine too. You can enable voice mode there. Before we switch to your microphone, a quick note. If you need the app or prefer the web version, you'll find the download link or the website link right at the top of the description. Grab it from there so you're using the official, up-to-date source. Now, look just below the text input box for the voice mode icon. It's typically a small microphone symbol. Depending on your screen size, it may appear in line with other controls or tucked slightly to the side. If you're on mobile, it might sit directly beside the keyboard toggle. Take a second to locate it, because this is the key to hands-free use. Click the microphone icon to turn on voice mode. The first time you do this, your browser or device may ask for permission to use the microphone. Go ahead and allow it so your voice can be captured. You'll usually see a visual indicator that voice mode is active, such as a glowing mic icon or a prompt. From this point on, you can speak your request rather than typing. When you're ready, talk clearly into your microphone. Aim for a steady pace in a quiet space, if possible. Grok 3 will transcribe what you say into text right inside the chat, and then generate a response based on your spoken request. If you notice a word that didn't come through quite right, pause briefly so the transcription catches up, then continue naturally. After your voice input is transcribed, either press enter if prompted, or let Grok process it automatically. Review the response that appears and make sure it matches what you intended. If you want to refine the answer, you can follow up with another voice request, clarify a detail, or rephrase your question. That's how you enable and use voice mode in Grok 3 for hands-free interaction. Thanks for watching.